Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply delete a post in OnlyFans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in OnlyFans and then just click on the home button or like where are your posts, and you're gonna see post right here. So you just want to click more and just click here delete post and yes, delete. And this is how you do it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works, you know how it goes, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.